Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation guys, Ford Focus, and we'll show you how to remove and replace your horns guys, where the horn is located and how to replace it. It's a double horn. Stay with us, we'll explain everything. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, you will find the information helpful. If you want to buy any tools, parts guys, or anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We can get them for a super good price. So let's go ahead and start on it now. First, we'll need to jack the car up guys. We're going to remove the lower engine covers. Stay with us, we have to remove two covers. We'll show you how to do that. That way we can access the horns from underneath. That will be the easiest way to do. So we need a torque sturdy guys. Okay, torque sturdy start looking bit. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and start removing screws underneath. Okay, you can see 1, 2. Then we have one more in the other corner there. Okay, 2 screws. 3 screws so far guys. Now we have more that we need to remove. We're going to start from the passenger side now. 1, 2, 3 on the front. 3 in the rear, 3 in the front guys. So now, okay, let's explain now. You grab it and you pull it forward. Pull it forward and drop it down. You can see just like that. And this is guys your engine here. And we just found out that we have an oil leak from the rear crankshaft seal right there. So we'll have a video how to fix that one as well. You should have 2 more guys in the corners, 1 there and 1 on the other side, but 2 are missing. Ours are missing, and the screws what they look like, okay, just like this one. So you can see, you can get an idea what it looks like now. And that's where your oil filter is located, and bottom of the engine as well. So now, how you guys remove the other cover? Okay, you're supposed to have a clip removal too guys, and you're supposed to have 2 clips now. Those 2 clips will be right there, 1 in the corner. Ours are completely missing guys, we don't have them. And so we need to start removing screws. You can see on the other side, okay, in front of the wheel we have 2 of them, okay, that we need to remove. And once we remove these 2, we come towards the middle. Okay, everything's very muddy on that engine. Let's do these 2 towards the wheel. Perfect. Now we just have, I think, 1 more. You might have dust and sand stuck there, so be careful guys. Always wear eye protection as well. Grab it now guys, okay, and you pull that cover down. Okay, just like that. And now that's where your radiators are, the active grill as well, radiator fan, all that is here, and that's the lower radiator support and the drain plug for the radiators as well. So you can see that's how we remove the engine covers. Let me show you now guys with the covers removed. Actually guys, we made a video how to remove and replace radiators, so all that will be on the channel as well. That way I can guys get a little bit more room, stick the camera and show you now where the holes are located. But okay, you can see the holes are right there. So we need to get guys, okay, let me see. Is that a, I can see if it's a 10. I think it's a 10 millimeter guys actually, holding the 2 holes to the frame. You can see where they're located right there. So we'll go ahead, remove them now. And we'll need to get a clip removal too as well guys. Let's wipe everything because we leaked a little bit of oil actually from the AC condenser when we removed. Okay, so with the clip removal too, we're going to, okay, let me actually zoom in a little bit so we can see better. Perfect. Right there, we need to disconnect that clip. Press in there guys on the back side and disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, just like that. 10 millimeter socket now guys, and we're going to go ahead actually and remove the whole assembly. and we'll have a video on the channel that explains how to test them as well, if you want to see how to test your horn, guys. Not very complicated. Okay, I'm trying to see what is better for you, what angle. Okay, just like that. So it's going to drop, be careful now, guys. Okay, almost there. And the whole horn assembly, guys, everything came out of the car. Okay, you can see it just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together, everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. Check out the video on the channel how to test them, guys. Not very complicated. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need parts, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.